Hi and welcome to LR Live UK, and on the channel today we've got something a little bit different, a bit more recreational. We're going to be seeing how much fun a grown man can have with a remote control truck. So we've just been sent an early version of this Defender model, scale model. It's a 1/18 scale model. I thought we'd do a little unboxing and check it out. So I'll be the first to admit I already own some Lego Land Rovers, but that's about the extent of my ownership of models. So I've got a little bit of experience with remote control vehicles, obviously in the past, but I've had some petrol vehicles. But this thing does look cool, and I've seen these featured on the internet, and I want to see what the details like. So inside the box here we've got what? We've got the cable for the charging. So it's a USB charger cable, which is nice. That looks like the battery. Controller. Now this is I'm not used to this sort of thing. This is a little bit different for me. I'm used to the old school little levers, so this might take some getting used to, but we'll give it a go. And then we've got the truck itself. Okay, let's peel it for the first time and see what it's like. I mean, there's a lot of detail in this, you can see already without... I feel quite excited, don't know why. Wow, look at that. Basically, here we go, little look in detail of the mod. Like I say, it doesn't weigh anything. It's got these really nice squishy tyres. There's no air in them, obviously, so they are quite grippy, but they're nice soft rubber. You've got the roll cage on there, like a safety devices style roll cage, which is cool. You've got your high lift style jack and your fuel, your spare wheel. It's obviously endorsed by Land Rover because you've got all the stickers on there and the logos. Based on a Puma with the bulge there in the bonnet. It's got the extended wheel arches. I mean, everything you're going to want for a rock climbing off-roader. Obviously you've got a little winch style in there, but it gives you an idea of the quality. So the detail is really good. So there's literally just a little catch at the bottom here that you pull, and that lifts the bottom up, and the front just unclips, and that's it. And then inside you got your, I think you've got your servo at the front here for your steering. You've got your motor. You've got your receiver. It's all coming back to me now from my grasshopper days from my Tamiya. So yeah, it's all there. Let's get the battery put in. Oh, that's quite cool. So it's just got a rubber harness on there that you just undo. Lay the battery in. There we go. And just slide this rubber catch over, so that was easy, and looks like it just plugs straight in. Yep, let's just switch this on and see if we've got any action. Oh, check it out, that's pretty cool. Look, little LEDs on the front there, that's your daylight running lights. That's nice. So I've got it in crawl mode. And up, done a cross axle. Oh, look at that. So, you know, we're watching articulation, we're watching cross axles. It's obviously got locked diffs, but you can get, so, a little bit more traction. Look at that, that's amazing. So the guys here at LR Parts said I should mount a camera on this and do a drive through the factory, the warehouse here. So we're going to have to try and work out how to get this camera on the top here, but that could be fun. That was a lot of fun. This looks like an expensive toy, but I'd really want to classify it as an expensive hobby. But there's a lot more expensive hobbies out there, but just the attention to detail on all the little intricacies on it. So obviously gas-filled shocks, you know, it's got locking diff. You know, the articulation is brilliant, and you know, you can control it with those 3 settings. You can have it on crawl mode, which is like low range, to make sure that you can get over obstacles. And you know, if you've done some off-road driving, I'll tell you what, it comes in really handy knowing how to approach things with this vehicle. And who knows, you know, if you want to learn a bit of off-roading skills with this, it's going to be a lot cheaper than doing it with your very nice shiny Defender out in the real world initially. So get some practice on one of these, learn the basics of off-road driving, and then head out in your Land Rover. So that's it from me on this one. Just wanted to share and show you how much fun you can have with one of these models. It really is an indulgent hobby, to be fair, but I had an absolute blast and I loved every minute of it. So until next time, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like if you wish, and I'll catch you on the next one. I presume I have to turn it on. Whoa, okay.